Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video, we are in the kitchen, and no, we are not cooking anything. Instead I'm gonna be showing y'all how I make my DIY coffee scrub. It's super easy to make, yet super effective. You only need 3 ingredients for it, and it will help reduce the appearance of cellulite, stretch marks, as well as reveal beautiful glowing skin. So if you're interested in how I make this scrub, just keep watching. So summer is right around the corner, and for many of us, it already feels like summer, which means swimsuit season is upon us. So this is the perfect time to try out this scrub. And the best part about it is you only need 3 ingredients for it, and you probably already have these in your kitchen already. So first you're going to need 1 cup used coffee grounds. Make sure you are using only ground coffee, not instant coffee, and it needs to be caffeinated, so no decaf. The caffeine in coffee helps dilate the blood vessels and tighten the skin, which helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Coffee is also rich in antioxidants, which will help promote an overall healthier skin tone. Next, you'll need 6 tablespoons melted coconut oil. Coconut oil is used to smooth and moisturize the skin while also protecting against skin damage. Coconut oil is rich in vitamin E and essential amino acids, which are amazing at repairing your skin's natural barrier function. And lastly, you'll need 3 tablespoons of sea salt. This is used for some extra exfoliation. The sea salt will help remove dead skin cells and yield a smoother, more even look to the skin. Alright, so really easy to put together. We just have our coffee grounds right here, our sea salt, and alternatively you can use sugar if you don't want to use sea salt, and also you can use olive oil instead of coconut oil if you want to. But I have some coconut oil. It's already melted down. I put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You want to let it cool down. You want it to be either room temperature or a little bit cooler so that it doesn't melt the salt. And then we're just going to combine it in this big bowl right here. So you want to start out by combining your dry ingredients first. So the coffee grounds, and then we'll measure out the sea salt. So we want 3 tablespoons of sea salt. And then you want to add the oil. And then just mix everything together. What I love about using the coconut oil instead of the olive oil, they're both good, but the coconut oil just smells so good. So this is kind of what the consistency is going to start looking like. It doesn't take long to get there. And that is all you need to do. So that is basically it. You just want to make sure that you're keeping it stored in an airtight container. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. Put it in some cute jars. It also makes a really great gift idea. So yeah. So you're going to want to make sure that you're using this scrub in the shower, as it can be messy. To use, apply a generous amount of scrub to wet skin, focusing on any areas with cellulite. Massage the scrub in a circular motion for 30 to 45 seconds. For an added benefit, let the scrub sit on the skin for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. You can use a gentle soap to remove the coconut oil or leave it on for some extra skin hydration. For best results, use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week. So that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload on Fridays now, so be sure that you're coming back to check out what I got for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!